It's your boy Tony, and we back at it again with another 5 common things invented by black people. You already know what we on. Let's get it. Thing number 1, caller ID, invented by Shirley Ann Jackson.
This man always want to make some videos. What's up?
Thing number 2, the single-use bottle cap invented by Amos E. Long.
What's poppin', G?
Hey, you finally made it, bro. Damn, it took so long.
Hey, well, you know.
Hey, dog, you got that bottle in your hand, bro? Fun fact, you know the bottle cap was invented by a black man?
No cap?
No cap.
No cap.
No cap.
Thing number 3, the clock invented by Benjamin Banneker.
Bro, how was you 20 minutes late?
I know you're not giving me no heat. You were late to John's wedding.
First of all, that's not even what's important right now.
I mean, I guess I can't blame you. The clock was invented by a black man. I guess that's why black people are always late.
Thing number 4, and my favorite thing on this list, the modern day toilet invented by James B. Rhodes.
Man, I'm gonna just use the bathroom.
Yeah, man, show up.
And last but not least, thing number 5, the gas mask invented by Garrett Morgan.
Hey, not for nothing. The toilet was invented by a black person, too. So was the gas mask.
Alright, y'all, so that's 5 common items invented by black people. We really be out here, like, changing the world with our inventions, bro. People don't even know. So anyways, please do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button. I never thought I'd say that. Make sure you smash the like button. Follow me on my Instagram account. And, yeah, we out.